I am on my way to rescue the container ship. I love helping people in my helicopter. I am very helpful. I am helpful. I love helping people and I love flying my helicopter. Oh, I found you. Yay. Woohoo. Don't worry, Mr. Policeman, I will help you to catch Mr. Bad Guy. Thanks, Mr. Helicopter Pilot. I will take you to your risk. Thanks, you're welcome. Oh, I will take you to the soldiers. Oh, I had a busy day today helping my friends. I love helping my friends. Now I'm going to the caves. Oh no, I am lost in the caves. I'm going to ring Mr. Cave. Rescue him immediately. Don't worry, Mr. Helicopter Pilot. I am on my way, and of course I will help you. And you helped me before. Don't worry, I'm on my way. I love driving my cave rescue jeep. It's awesome, it's incredible. Everyone loves my cave rescue jeep. Move out of the way, it's an emergency. Okay, thanks for understanding. Thanks. I love helping people. I'm getting my torch. Thank you for finding me, Mr. Cave Rescuer. You're welcome, Mr. Helicopter Pilot. Any time. Yay, woohoo, woohoo. Yay, woohoo.